stand straight for the national anthem.
Good morning and a happy Independence Day to all of you. It is the 15th of August. Let us celebrate the fact that we live in such a great country, and let us start with a promise to do our bit to keep it great. Every school prepares students for the world they will step into. Vidya Valley is equally committed to this goal for all of you. We do not want you to rest on your academic laurels alone. We aim to educate you to be proactive citizens of our country. Act, not react, is our credo. I talk about simple things, doable things that will bring about a change. Imbibe good habits. Take, for example, traffic discipline. Let us educate ourselves about wearing helmets, not driving on the wrong side of the road, not honking when stuck in traffic. Let us develop environmental consciousness. You cannot wait for rivers to turn to sludge, or the groundwater to turn to poison, or the air to turn to a choking fog. We need to act. We have to act to help irrigate our farms and learn and teach water harvesting. To build our economy, we need to build an entrepreneurial mindset. India is on the cusp of economic development. We are now beyond the decades when young people thought of a good degree for getting a job in a reputed organization. We want the youth of India to have a self-reliant mindset and go beyond wanting to be just employees. For India to grow, we need many of you to be innovators, entrepreneurs, employers, not only employees. You must dream of your startup company, offering new, exciting products and services to consumers in India and beyond. We need to nurture researchers. During the time of this pandemic, we see Indians turning to research to make vaccines, to find medicines to combat the virus. Our space research is growing by leaps and bounds. 15th August is a time to remember the builders of modern India. The glory of a nation lies with the people who build it. Who are they, you may ask? I am sure you have heard their names. If you haven't, you will learn about them. Homi Bhabha, builder of India's nuclear program. Vikram Sarabhai, builder of India's space program. Dhyan Chand, the Indian hockey wizard who put Indian sport on the map of the world. Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy, father of Indian chemistry. Fatima Bibi, the First Lady Justice of India. And there are so many more that you must learn about. Make this time, children, that you are spending at home as valuable training for the future. After this major challenge, definitely our lives will change. Our choice of careers, our working systems will not be what they were yesterday. To quote Professor Harari, people are usually afraid of change because they fear the unknown. But the single greatest constant of history is that everything changes. So, the skill sets we have to hone for the future are adaptability, compassion, because we have so much technology in our hands, we need to be careful how we use it, emotional intelligence, with our compassion for our beings, to keep a balance. So the future is yours to improve and to adapt to. On the 74th birthday of India's independence, together, let us take an oath to make a difference, to make a change for the better. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you, and I love you all, children, parents, and teachers.
Good morning. I'm Nilima Sawant, Senior Coordinator at Vidya Valley School. A very happy Independence Day and a warm welcome to everyone. Children, you might have heard in Sengupta ma'am's speech. She just mentioned about great achievers and great leaders. Let us strive to make our country a better and safe place by following the values and principles taught by them. Let us spread awareness, knowledge, values, and gain wisdom. Let us make this our Independence Day resolution. If each individual of our country follows these basic principles, he would grow, so would his family, his surroundings, and eventually it would lead our country to become a great nation. Therefore, let us make a promise in this auspicious Independence Day, and let us make India, our motherland, shine even brighter into our future. Today, we are celebrating Independence Day virtually. We have tried to put a program together. We start with Standard 7 English speech.
Good morning. My name is Anika Musraya from class 7B. Today on the 15th of August 2020, India is celebrating its 74th Independence Day, and I am proud to be a citizen of this great nation. The same nation which faced racial discrimination, religious violence, and so much more, and yet overcame these hurdles and got its deserved freedom. Although it's been 73 years since India got its independence, India cannot be called independent. India cannot be called independent till every woman can walk alone at night freely. India cannot be called independent till there is no religious fanatism, poverty, and unemployment. It cannot be called independent till every child is literate and everyone has the freedom to speech and expression. And last but not the least, in these days of the pandemic, India cannot be called independent till everyone can breathe freely. Today, we not only need to be proud of our glorious past, but we need to make our present and future better. We need to strive hard for a better India so that we can praise its future. Let us work to get past these hurdles that still hold back India from achieving freedom in its truest sense. Together, we can make a better India. Happy Independence Day and thank you.
भारत माँ के सपूतों का बलिदान, इस दिन के लिए जो हुए थे हंसकर कुर्बान। आजादी की खुशियां मनाकर लीजिए ये शपथ कि बनाएंगे अपने देश भारत को और भी महान। आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल मैम, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, आज 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर मैं त्रिशा सिंघल, कक्षा 8वीं की छात्रा, आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आज मुझे स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर बोलने का मौका मिला, इसलिए मैं बहुत ही गौरव महसूस कर रही हूँ। किसी ने सच कहा है कि गुलामी से बड़ा कोई अभिशाप नहीं और आजादी से बड़ा कोई वरदान नहीं, परंतु इस एहसास की गहराई को केवल वही व्यक्ति अनुभव कर सकता है जिसने यह सब देखा है। आज की हमारी पीढ़ी कितनी सौभाग्यशाली है कि हमारे देश के स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने पराधीनता की बेड़ियां तोड़कर हमें ये आजादी सौगात में दी। उनकी वजह से ही हम इस आजादी का आनंद उठा रहे हैं। 15 अगस्त 1947 की मध्य रात्रि को हम आजादी के स्वर्णिम प्रभात का स्वागत कर रहे थे। यह वो स्मरणीय दिवस था जब हम भारतवासी करीब 200 वर्षों के पश्चात खुली हवा में सांस लेने वाले थे। याद रहे, हमें ये आजादी आसानी से नहीं मिली। हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को अंग्रेजों की अनेक यातनाओं को सहन करके उनके साथ कड़ा संघर्ष करना पड़ा। हमारे कुछ महान नेताओं ने, जैसे नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, महात्मा गांधी, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, लाला लाजपत राय, शहीद भगत सिंह, शहीद चंद्रशेखर आजाद तथा सैकड़ों गुमनाम स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने स्वतंत्रता के लिए अपना पूरा जीवन समर्पित कर दिया। हम सभी उनकी कुर्बानियों को व्यर्थ नहीं जाने देंगे। अपने देश भारत को आसमान की बुलंदियों तक ले जाएंगे। यहाँ मैं आप सबको बताना चाहूंगी कि भारत ने प्रगति और विकास की राह पर कई नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए हैं। प्रत्येक क्षेत्र में नवीन निर्माण किए हैं जिन्हें अभी बताना संभव नहीं। थोड़े में केवल इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि भारत ने विदेशों में शांति और अहिंसा की नीति अपनाई और पूरी दुनिया को भी युद्ध रोकने के लिए प्रेम व अहिंसा का पाठ पढ़ाया। विदेशों से आयात निर्यात करके अपनी आर्थिक स्थिति मजबूत की। अनेक सांस्कृतिक, स्वास्थ्य सम्मेलनों तथा विश्व खेल प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेकर अपनी पहचान बनाई। इस प्रकार अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्षेत्र में भारत ने अपना नाम ऊंचा किया। इतना ही नहीं, इसरो के 104 ग्रहों की सफलता, मंगलयान, दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची प्रतिमा स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी, अग्नि 5 मिसाइल का सफल परीक्षण, 2019 में भारत में सबसे तेज रफ्तार से चलने वाली सेमी हाई स्पीड ट्रेन वंदे भारत और अनेकों उपलब्धियों ने भारत के गौरव में 4 चांद लगा दिए। अंत में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि स्वतंत्रता के 73 सालों में भारतवासियों ने अनेक विषम परिस्थितियों का सामना किया, लेकिन कभी भी समस्याओं व परिस्थितियों के सामने घुटने नहीं टेके, बल्कि साहस और धैर्य से उन समस्याओं के समाधान ढूंढे तथा उन पर विजय प्राप्त की और आगे भी विजयी होंगे। कुछ चुनौतियां अभी भी विद्यमान हैं, किंतु हमें पूर्ण विश्वास है कि हमारी युवा पीढ़ी 21वीं सदी में इन सभी चुनौतियों से विजय प्राप्त करके अपने देश को हर क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ाएगी। है किसी में हिम्मत जो भारत से टकराएगा, है किसी में हिम्मत जो भारत से टकराएगा, जान दे देंगे हम अपनी, पर तिरंगा सदा लहराएगा। जय हिंद।
Here's more power to you children, to us on the 74th Independence Day, a day to take a pledge for a better future, to think big and positive. Teachers, you too are freedom fighters of sorts. You unshackle the superstitious, the blinkered and the ignorant. Let us not be limited by any syllabus, corrections, exams. Let us look at the big picture, a positive picture. Then I am sure we will do the right thing by our children who are under our care and the world at large. Every 15th of August, I feel proud to be an Indian. I feel happy, I feel hopeful.
Good morning to all the students of Vidya Valley School on this 73rd anniversary of our Independence Day. So what is the message for the students? I have one message. You guys are all such capable people. Really, you are capable, you are good students, and we are very, very happy and proud of all of you. My only request for you is that please build your capability, believe in yourself, and work towards it, and you can achieve it, whether it is academics, sports, music, or anything. And that's all that you need to get to this stage of your life. So on this Independence Day, have fun.
Children of Vidya Valley School, I greet you on our Independence Day. Your parents, your grandparents worked through the first half century of our freedom in bringing India to a position of eminence in the world. But you are children of the 21st century. So indeed is Vidya Valley School, which was born in June 2000. The 21st century offers you many new and wonderful opportunities. Vidya Valley School will be proud of you as fine citizens of India if you follow your dream and passion and in the career of your choice. I wish all of you a wonderful celebration of Independence Day. Thank you.
Good morning all. To me, independence is synonymous with freedom. Freedom means the ability to have a voice. At Vidya Valley, we encourage the community of students, teachers and parents to have a collective voice with a common set of goals. So on this Independence Day, I'd like to wish that each one of y'all have the ability to express yourself without fear in the most positive manner. Thank you.
बढ़ चले तू बढ़ चले, beautifully composed by Dani ma'am, our music teacher. D, determined to make it happen. A, amazingly compiled along with other teachers. N, nicely sung. I, inspiringly framed every line of the song. Teachers from junior KG till standard 10 have contributed here lovingly. I thank all the teachers who have contributed here and participated here. Children and all of you, those who are listening to our songs, we want you to be happy and enjoy every moment of your life. I thank especially Dani ma'am for composing such a wonderful and motivating and inspiring song. Thank you, Dani ma'am. We love you. We love you very much. Thank you.
कल के हार को भूल कर तू भूल जा हर गम तो जिंदगी की हर खुशी को ढूंढ ले बढ़ चले तू बढ़ चले बढ़ चले तू बढ़ चले हंस तो यूं बढ़ चले तो यूं राह जो है सही बढ़ चले तो यूं अपने ही जो भूले हैं वो संग ना आए कभी उस बात का तू गम न कर खुद को ही तो समझा कभी पंजाबी राहों का ये डगर संभल संभल के पार कर हंसने का तू रख ले जिगर कल की यूं तो करे फिकर हर घड़ी आसान कर हर शिखर तो पार कर चमका के तो हर मोड़ को हर प्रखर बढ़ चले तो यूं ही बढ़ चले तो यूं ही राह जो है सही बढ़ चले तो यूं ही दूर हो मंजिल कहीं थम गई दुनिया यही पर मोड़ पर चला जरा संभल के तो बढ़ना जरा बढ़ के तो चल यही बढ़ के तो चल यही राह जो है सही राह जो है सही बढ़ के तो चल यही
With this, we come to the end of our program. We end our program with Janaganamana instrumental played by Arjun Dore, our student from Vidya Valley, North Point. Thank you, parents. Thank you, students, and all the teachers who attended this program virtually. Thank you, all of you. A very happy Independence Day once again to all.